Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can easily add Pinterest feed to your Squarespace website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you'll do it, you'll get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Pinterest feed. So click sign up for free on top right corner. Now you want to sign with Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail, and when you got it, click login. When you're going to be here in applications, you just want to write in the search Pinterest. And then you got it here, Pinterest feed. So let's create a widget. Now you have options to go between boards gallery, pins gallery, sidebar widget. I'm going with the Pinterest profile here. So let's continue with the template. And now you're going to see profile. So you just add here your own profile, and you can simply link your boards here if you have some. Or you can just pins or just boards. Really up to you which one you're going to choose. Then you can change the layout, the width and height. And when you got it, go to top right corner and click save. Right after that, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you can have 5,000, 50,000, 5 million views, go with the basic pro or enterprise. So let's copy the code here. And now just simply click plus, add a code, and paste the code here. Click done and save. And voila, here we got it. Look at this. Beautiful Pinterest feed on our Squarespace website. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'll really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. Also, I recommend check all the other applications in our site that if you can find some of them useful, like pricing plan, etc. So yeah. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.